Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, a lot of people ask me that if they just have got a first name without any last name in their passport, how would they fill up this WES credential evaluation? Because ECA is very important when it comes to Canadian immigration when you are coming through economic categories like express entry, for example, where you get your foreign credential evaluated by WES and you get it mapped to one of the Canadian education level. So for this question, what I did, like I went to WES website, Canada, and I went to their help center. And there, if I search like last name, see, I have the second option. I have only one name. How do I complete the application? If you have only one name, please enter a period dot in either the first or last name field in the online application. So now the instructions are very clear. So I hope this is going to help you guys out. Thanks for watching.